In the competitive arena of mechanical engineering, standing out is not just a dream, it's a necessity. Unlocking the secret to a successful resume starts with optimizing it for applicant tracking systems. Recruiters use ATS software to scan for crucial keywords that showcase your engineering expertise. Highlighting technical skills like CAD design and product development can transform your resume's visibility. Listing ATS keywords not only reflects your proficiency, but also your aptitude for solving complex challenges. For entry-level engineers, foundational skills like 3D modeling and basic MATLAB can set you apart. Automotive roles demand specialized keywords, emphasizing systems like engine performance and vehicle dynamics. Mechanical design engineers should focus on areas such as GD&T and structural analysis in their resumes. Manufacturing positions require showcasing your knowledge in process optimization and quality assurance methods. By strategically incorporating these keywords, your resume evolves into a powerful tool for career advancement.